Arts Workfly.
Alright, so I have a new ring light here. So I'm testing it out. It's the first time I ever bought a ring light. When I saw it, it was already out of the box. It was the last one. I'm gonna test it out, see if it's still working because it's from last year and I haven't video since. I almost forgot that it came with a tripod. It came with a tripod, I just remembered, so I would have to go for that. I guess this part is where the mic goes, this part is where the phone goes. Look here, I don't know nothing about them something here. So I guess it should charge first or something. But I'm going to test it out. So I'm going to go for my laptop and everything and come back. Okay, so I'm back. This is the tripod. I really want to start videoing again. So I got a bit of motivation to start filming again. Nothing ever. Here, I'm not gonna pretend like I know what I'm doing. I just don't know what I don't know. I'm on a mat right now, so it's kinda hill and gully. This almost seems lean. Anyways. It's lighting up. It can dim and bright. That's it. What? It can switch. Wow, it can switch. Right, hello. I see what I want. Alright, so it's a blue, a white, and a yellow. Cute. Alright, so I'm gonna put the phone in front and see what happens. We get ring light roughly. Let's see. Let's change how it looks. Right. Ooh, this yellow dog gives you a glow. I like this yellow. Look at me there. Let's see if this can brighten. Yellow can brighten. Okay. Doesn't make much difference, does it? I think it makes some kind of difference. Yes, my friend. Yes, my friend. So now we have to practice looking here and not here. It's gonna be hard. Alright guys, so yes, I have now a new ring light for lighting. So I'm gonna start doing some videos. So I'm getting some materials, I'm getting some stuff together. I can't wait to show you guys what I have been doing behind the scenes, and when I'm supposed to complete it at a certain time, it's not done. Can't wait to finish and then do the big reveal of what I've been working on. Just give me some time guys, and I definitely will show you what I am working on. So here it looks when it's on. It's on the yellow. When it's off, it's like that. When it's on, it's like that. I'm gonna put it on the white. So that's the white. When it's on, when it's off. Here it is. Then it on. And I'm gonna change the light when it's on, and then when it's off. This is the blue one, blue light, bluish thing. When it's off. So yes, I didn't show you guys that. So I think it make any difference. Anyways, please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.